So I'm out here in Desert Hot Springs again at my second investment property. The goal of today is to basically pass the inspection. I have a representative from the Housing Authority of Riverside stopping by to do a pre-inspection. So I have a tenant who went through the application process, and I'm basically already signed the lease with them to move in. But then what's happening is the Housing Authority wants to make sure that the premises are up to date and basically up to standard for this particular person to move in. What the Housing Authority of Riverside does is they help with the monthly payments on behalf of the tenant. So a woman named Carla is going to be moving in, and the Housing Authority of Riverside is going to pay up to 60 to 70% of her rent on behalf of her, and that will leave her only having to pay either between 30% or 40% of her personal monthly income, which helps out because then when things go wrong in the economy, a recession might happen where a normal person may lose their job. What's happening is the Housing Authority of Riverside is basically supplementing or subsidizing the rent on behalf of this particular person, which helps me out. The Housing Authority payments are automatic each month. You give them the direct deposit slip of the checking account or savings account that you want the payments to go to, and basically it shows up on the first of the month every single month without any additional calls, without any additional work, which helps me out as a property owner. So I'll walk you guys through the process today. We'll have the representative, myself, and Carla in there. I'll try and get some footage so you can see what this might look like if you're thinking about owning investment properties and being the property manager as well. How you guys doing? A little camera, a little mini camera. How you doing? It's from my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? My name is Vernon. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you again. That right there is an AC, and this right here is a mini camera. Huh? Just like little documentation.
Is that an AC?
Yeah, it's like a window unit. You said what? I like your boots. It's hot though. I didn't even want to put on jeans. I'm like, damn, this is gonna be hot as I don't know what.